Dumpster Rental, Fayetteville, North Carolina. When it comes to reliable dumpster rental services in Fayetteville, North Carolina, Dumpster King is the go-to provider. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a home renovation or a business needing to manage waste from a construction project, we offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit your needs. With a focus on convenience, efficiency, and affordability, our services are designed to make waste disposal hassle-free. At Dumpster King, we provide roll-off dumpsters in various sizes, ensuring you get the perfect fit for your project. Our team is dedicated to timely drop-offs and pickups, so you never have to worry about delays. We prioritize customer satisfaction, providing flexible rental periods and competitive pricing that fits your budget. Our dumpsters can handle various materials, from construction debris to household waste, ensuring your job site or home remains clean and clutter-free. We're here to make the dumpster rental process as smooth and efficient as possible, helping you maintain a clean and organized workspace. For quick and easy dumpster rental in Fayetteville, North Carolina, contact Dumpster King today at 919-669-7370. You can schedule a dumpster delivery that suits your timeline and project needs, and let us handle the mess while you focus on your project.